Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Want to step on today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a background transparent using Canva. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First, you have to open the Canva app on your phone. If you don't have the app yet, you can get it from Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Once you do that, you have to launch the app, and on the bottom of your screen, you can see a plus sign where you can select the image and add a background, or you can select the design that has background already. Now all you have to do is select the background, and from the bottom you can see there are options popping like replace, color, timer, effects, filters, adjust and crop, flip, animate, transparency, layers, info and more. Now all you have to do is tap on transparency and hit that slider button. You can increase or decrease it. To make it transparent, you have to decrease it. And guys, that's it. That's how you make your background transparent using Canva. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.